Welcome to this week's Q&A. We have a good question from a viewer in Japan this week, and it relates to the amount of capital you need to deploy when you're looking to buy an investment property. And that would seem to be fairly straightforward, but for Australian expats, Australian citizens who are living around the world, it can become a little bit different. So many times we can assist our clients with up to 85% loan-to-value ratio loans on a property that they're going to buy. But in certain instances, for example, like this one, where someone is effectively self-employed, they have the majority equity ownership in the business that they operate and work for, it may be different because you have to go to other lenders who look at things in a different light. So whilst they may lend you, say, 80% of the value of the investment property that you're going to purchase, it's at a certain interest rate. And if you have the ability and choose to put in more equity, so let's say you're going to take a 70% LVR loan, you'll get a cheaper interest rate, and you may save some money on other fees and charges that these lenders actually charge you. So really important, whether you're a as it were, PAYG employee, or in many jurisdictions you don't perhaps pay your income tax as you go along, you pay it in the following year. But if you're employed by a large organisation, you may be treated differently from certain lenders to self-employed people. So really important to get your facts straight, have a look at all the information at hand, and make sure that we have all of that information so we can assist people with their own circumstances. So if this relates to you, or you find this interesting, firstly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click like. But if you have some questions relating to your own particular situation, don't hesitate to reach out, email us or call us, and we'll have someone contact you and look at your own situation. I'm Andrew Unterweger, and I'll see you at next week's Q&A.